Here is a wonderful 2012 Nissan JUKE. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this uniquely styled Nissan JUKE, the compact crossover with lively performance, sporty handling, available all-wheel drive, and a powerfully playful soul. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, iPod, MP3 input, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, Bluetooth connection, intermittent wipers, traction control. Feel light and nimble in this sporty JUKE. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.